Hello and welcome to Lepide. Thanks for downloading our data security platform. There are a number of different ways to get started with Lepide. In this tutorial, we're going to walk through how to install the solution manually. If, however, you would like to trial the solution via our virtual appliance or cloud deployment option through both AWS and Azure marketplaces, head over to our documentation center to find out more. You'll need to install Lepide on a machine with a recommended 4-core CPU with 16 to 32 gigabytes of RAM, 100 gigabytes of free disk space, and a recommended screen resolution of 1080p. We require a Windows Server operating system. Supported versions include any version from 2008 to 2019. .NET Framework 4.6.2 or later is required, and if you're configuring Lepide to monitor group policy, you will need to install the Group Policy Management console on the machine you're intending to install Lepide on. Finally, the solution requires access to an instance of SQL as the backend, and any version from 2005 Express is supported, although in larger environments, Standard or Enterprise is recommended due to the limitations in Express versions. We'll need to set up an Active Directory service account with domain admin privileges as well as a SQL service account with the sysadmin role assigned. We recommend trialing the solution with the elevated privileges above to ensure a smooth deployment through the trial period. However, we do understand these privileges are excessive. If you're unable to grant the service account these privileges in the trial, you can find a complete least privilege guide within our documentation center. So here I have my provision server with all of the prerequisites previously listed. I'm now going to extract the zip file downloaded from lepide.com and run the setup for Lepide Data Security Platform. In this example, I'm going to accept the end user license agreement and all the default settings. Now the installation is complete, let's launch Lepide for the first time. I'll now specify the service account used to run the Lepide Data Security Platform service and ensure it has the log on as a service right assigned. And that's it. We're now ready to start configuring the Lepide Data Security Platform for monitoring.